Hi everybody! So for today's video, we are going to be making a tutorial on how to do an essential oil diffuser. So stick around and find out how to make one of your very own. Hi everybody! Welcome back to the channel. So today, like I said, we are going to be making a essential oil diffuser. So one of these guys. Yep. I love making these out of scrap cord. It's perfect. It's actually a very simple design, a nice beginner project for everybody. So if you still have those scraps from that plant hanger we made a couple videos ago, this is the perfect time to use them. I will of course leave all the materials down below, but let me show you what you're going to need for this project. Here's everything you need, and I will list everything right below each item. Okay, so we're going to begin our project by making 8 Larks head knots with our 8 strands of cord. You're going to notice that mine are different sizes because I am using scrap cord for this project. But like I said, you can use scrap cord or you can use fresh cord, whatever you feel more comfortable with. My Larks head knots are done. I'm going to turn it to face it this way with the little nodules facing out, and I'm going to clip this to a board so we can get started on our design for the diffuser. Okay, so I have my piece all clipped up and ready to go. If you don't have a clipboard, don't worry about it. You certainly don't have to do this part. It just makes it easier to work on the piece for the designs. So what we're going to do is make a series of square knots. Throughout the whole, we're going to make 3 different rows. I do have a tutorial in my tutorial playlist on how to make square knots and like the Larks head knot and everything. If you want to go ahead and check that part out, I'll leave it down in the description below. That way you can easily just go flip flop back and forth through the videos. But let's go ahead and just get the square knots going. So now from this point we have our design and we are going to cut off all this extra. So what you can do, you can either take a measuring tape, or I just like to use my thumb, and you're going to measure to about here, which is about 1 inch, and go ahead and cut. Okay, so we have our design ready to go. Before we brush out the tails to make that little fringe design, we're going to turn this around and we're going to attach that 1mm 2-foot cord, and that's going to be how you hang this guy. So we're going to attach it using a Larks head knot. Okay, and now for my favorite part, we're going to attach these beads. So this is definitely optional. You don't have to attach the beads. I just like to. I feel like it adds a little something, and that's where the crochet hook comes in to play. So you can definitely get the strings in here without the crochet hook, but it's a little difficult. So what you do, you take the crochet hook, put it through the bead, and then I like to grab the cords with the hook and pull it through. And that's it. Pretty easy. Okay, and now we're just gonna go ahead and tie a knot at the end of it. And to finish her off, we're gonna comb out these fringes. Now, what I like to do to end it is to just trim off any excess so it's all nice and even all around. Okay guys, so now that we have our diffuser ready to go, it's time to use it. So you take whatever your favorite scent is, you put it right on the cords, a couple drops, and then just repeat it as often as you'd like. My favorite scent is actually bergamot. I use it for everything. I also use Young Living essential oils. This is not a plug in for that, just letting you know. Comment below what your favorite scent and or if you use essential oils or not. If you don't, perfectly fine. You can still use it as like a little wall hanging. It still looks really cute. Or like I said, just put it in your rearview mirror as like a little decoration. Add a little something. And that's it. I really hope you folks enjoyed this little tutorial today. If you did, of course, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will see you next week for Macrame Monday. Bye!